Good morning. Stocks are flat to slightly up this morning. Now, the downside that we're seeing in stocks is due to some fears among some investors that a looming political showdown in Washington over the U.S. government's budget and its ability to fund itself could have a bigger knock-on effect on the underlying economy than had been expected. The United Nations General Assembly has begun, so there will also be lots of headlines from speeches of these world leaders. The country's largest home builder, Lennar, said fiscal third quarter earnings rose as the company sold more homes and raised prices. Net income climbed to $120.7 million, or 54 cents a share, from $87.1 million, or 40 cents a share a year ago. Analysts had actually expected Lennar to only earn 45 cents. Revenue rose to $1.6 billion from $1.1 billion last year, and the number of houses delivered increased to 4,990, up from 3,655. The average sales price also jumped to $291,000 from $258,000, and orders climbed 14% to 4,785 homes. The CEO said, "We continue to see long-term fundamental demand in the market driven by the significant shortfall of new single-family and multifamily homes built over the last 5 years." Lennar stock is moving higher this morning. Chrysler has filed for an IPO after the company failed to get its partner Fiat to buy its shares. The Auto Workers Health Trust owns 41% of the company, and they tried to get Fiat to buy those shares, but it didn't happen. So they filed to sell those shares to the public, probably hoping to see some of the same enthusiasm that the public showered on the GM IPO. The problem is that GM was a clean deal, and this offering, it is a mess. The ownership structure is a problem, the debt levels are extremely high, and it's basically a big game of chicken. The Health Trust thinks that the shares are double what Fiat thinks, and now they've both decided to let the public market decide what price the shares should be valued at. Facebook is moving up again after Citigroup upgraded the stock from neutral to buy, and they raised the price target to $55 from $32. Also, Facebook's getting some good news out of China. The site had been banned there, but now will be available in a planned free trade zone in Shanghai. And that's what's happening before the opening bell. I'm Deborah Borchardt. Good luck trading.